simplify x complement union y intersection x complement. Now, in this case, it's easier to work with this given that x and y are sets. So we've been taught that x and y are sets. If they're sets, then we can write this one here. We say that this is x complement union y intersection x, and the complement outside the brackets. Now, if we have a complement outside the bracket, you need to put this complement inside the bracket by using what we call the De Morgan's law. Using the De Morgan's law, you're going to distribute this complement inside. So distributing this complement inside, this complement is going to be on top there. Again, put this complement somewhere there. Now, if we're going to move it, there is a complement already. If you're going to have two complements, they do cancel. So this is going to be the same as x. Now, the moment you distribute the complement inside, the sign on the middle changes. So this is going to be, of course, the intersection. And this is y intersection x. Don't touch this one. And the complement is now on top there. Again, we're going to distribute this complement inside the brackets. So this is going to be x intersection, and that is y complement union x complement. Now, reaching this stage, we introduce the idea of the distributive property. So we are going to distribute this set now inside the bracket. The moment you do that, this is going to be x intersection y complement and union x intersection x complement. Having that, this is equal to x intersection y complement union x intersection x complement is an empty set. And this is going to be equal to x intersection y complement union an empty set is just the same set. Any set union an empty set is the same set. So this is going to be x intersection y complement. That's the way we're supposed to simplify this. So we have simplified this to that by using the properties of the De Morgan's law, which says that if you have a complement there, we need to distribute this complement inside the bracket. So this is going to be x. Since there is a complement cancels, you remain with that. This sign changes to intersection. This complement is going to be outside there. That's what you've written there. Then from there, again, we're going to distribute this complement inside the bracket. So this complement there is going to be y complement. This sign changes to union, and that is going to be x complement. Now, since we have this set outside the brackets, you need now to make sure that we distribute it. So this is x intersection y complement right there, union again x intersection x complement. You write it there. Then from there now you find the set x intersection x complement, which is an empty set. An empty set union any set is the same set. So this union this set is the same set. That's the way we're supposed to do it.